Turn right onto Sugarland Road.
Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Alright, a little bit of FSD action for you all today. Going to be going over some good practices as well as FSD challenges. Talk a little bit about some of the best ways to operate with FSD. So hope everyone watching this is having a great day. It's a little cloudy here in the DC metropolitan area. Hoping to get some rain going for this video, so
in 500 feet, turn left onto Drainesville Road.
I can really put FSDBETA to the test. Two things I think
turn left onto Drainesville Road.
that throws off FSD would be weather and construction. So one of the times where you really want to be extra vigilant, you might even just want to drive in manual mode. If you are using FSD, get ready to take over pretty much. Yeah, especially in construction zones where there's like lane closures and things like that. Yeah, you want to make sure. So haven't really got a chance to test FSD in the snow yet. Last year I did get some autopilot mileage in snow, and it was pretty astonishing the way it worked, because it did. Had the chance to drive on some roads with no lanes painted, like when they're doing construction, and I see how autopilot and FSD visuals like sort of paints its own lanes, and it knows like where it's supposed to be. So I thought that was pretty incredible, and I assume it would do the same thing if the road was like blanketed in snow. So yeah, wintertime is approaching pretty quick, so probably get to shoot some snowy videos for you all. We get a good amount of snow normally. I mean, like, it snows a good bit, but we don't typically get like 4 feet or anything like that. Here in the DC area, we'll get like 1 inch, and pretty much everyone goes nuts, and the grocery stores are all sold out, and schools close. And yeah, that's how I remember when I used to be in school. So I don't know how the school closures still work, but I remember one year we had so many school days off where they started to add like an hour to the end of the school year. Like in the month of like May and June, we had to stay back like an hour extra because we had so many snow days that year. So yeah, this area can get hit, but it's usually not like that bad. Only like twice I can remember ever like having a serious traffic snowstorm. One time I was on my way to a Wizards game. I think this was like in 2014, I want to say maybe 2013. And yeah, it just started snowing ice on 66, and it just became a skating ring out there. And we had to turn around. We were stuck for like an hour, and then I ended up taking like Beulah back home. For any locals watching this, it was like the only route available that wasn't snowed out. And yeah, drop a comment below if anyone remembers that snowstorm, but that was pretty nuts. And it wasn't even that much snow, it was just that we weren't ready for it, and we didn't salt the roads, and therefore it resulted in a mess, a total mess. But yeah, since then, we've cleaned up our act a little bit, and we do a lot better as far as pre-treating the roads. So FSD like changed lanes there, really didn't have to, but yeah. So as you can tell, I'm definitely ready for the snow. With the weight of electric vehicles, you will be surprised on the way it drives in the snow. It's pretty remarkable, actually. But yeah, really nice day so far. It's 75 degrees. Hopefully there's not too much traffic on this commute. So it looks like FSD just missed the turn. Wow, it was supposed to get in that lane to make a left there, and it just went straight. So terrible job there.
Now turn left onto Georgetown Pike.
I wonder what it's going to try to do here. See, this is terrible. I'm in a straight lane. This is illegal. I will get pulled over if I try to pull a stunt like that. FSD was about to make a friggin' left, and that was going to be terrible. I'm going to report that. So that's going to be one of my tips, is whenever you get the chance, you know, in a situation like that, definitely report any incidents where FSD acts up. Keep in mind it's still in beta mode for all the new people that just got beta. We have to, like, you know, help contribute these miles to make sure that FSD is fully polished when it comes time to actually releasing it to every Tesla, you know. So soon, at that point too, I'm pretty sure, as Elon Musk says, patents are for the weak. You know, I wouldn't be surprised if he opens up autopilot to all the rest of the car brands. Alright, a little bit safer job making the left here. Want to thank everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video so far. Gonna be bringing you all some more FSD content, as well as everything is going to be uploaded in 4K. So hit that subscribe button, and we'll be bringing you guys as many videos as possible. Drop a comment for any requests. Thanks again for watching, and hope you have a great day.